2-1 ready, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Hello, Dr. Thomas. State your name and title, please.
My name's Tom Thomas. I'm the Associate Dean for Undergraduate Affairs of the College of Engineering at the University of South Alabama.
Thank you for accepting the interview.
Sure, no
We
problem.
have some questions. Let's begin with the first question.
Sure.
Classes that you have taught.
Well, I've taught a pretty wide variety of classes in the electrical engineering department. I was in the EE department for 19 years before I moved down to the dean's office. Actually 18 years, because I've been in the dean's office for 1 year. So I've taught everything from their elementary circuit analysis to the graduate classes in the electrical engineering department. My area of expertise is control systems and robotics, so that's the ones I typically teach. For example, this semester I'm teaching a class in LabVIEW, so that's class is a programming language. So.
And what is your major?
My first major at the University of South Alabama was chemistry, and then came back and got an engineering degree after that, and then went electrical engineering for both my graduate degrees.
Cool.
So my degree, master's and PhD, are both electrical engineering.
What display are you and why?
What discipline area?
Yeah.
Okay, I think again I'm an electrical engineer.
Okay.
And I got interested in electrical engineering when I was a chemist. We were doing a lot of instrumental analysis and environmental monitoring, and used a lot of instrumentation, which is what got me into electrical engineering.
Cool.
That building guitar amplifiers. So if you see guitars.
How long have you taught at South?
I started in 1998, so that's I've been teaching. I guess this year will be 20 years at South.
What makes the program here at South special?
I think there's a couple of things. One thing is the class sizes are pretty small, so you don't have like 100 people in like a 200 level engineering class. So, and another thing that kind of makes it special is that all of your classes are taught by PhD professors and not graduate students. So that's kind of unusual for most large universities.
What advice do you have for students while they are here at South?
Show up on time and do your homework.
Advice for after graduation?
Well, one thing you want to think about is what direction you want your career to go. And you know, school is a lot different than working in industry. So if you think about it, if you try to do an internship, try to do a co-op or something that gives you an idea about what real engineering is like before you get too far down that road. Because you may not actually like engineering. And the more of that sort of thing, you know, get involved in student organizations, anything that'll make you stand out from other people that are applying for the same job. So try to do things that make you stand out. That's the main thing.
Nice. Is there any research or study abroad that you are a part of?
Well, currently right now, since I'm in the dean's office, I don't have time to do any research. I've done research in the past in satellite image processing and robotics, and in alternative energy. And if things slow down, I would like to get back into that. So maybe after I retire.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Anything else would you like to add?
Nothing other than the fact that I'm very proud of South Alabama and how far we've come from when I was an undergraduate here. Because I started at the University of South Alabama in 1973 for my first degree. So personal computers didn't exist back then. The internet didn't exist back then. We had about probably 4,000 students, maybe 100 in engineering. So now we're pushing 17,000. We've got probably close to 1,700 students in College of Engineering, so it's grown a lot, and I'm very proud of how far we've come. And you can ask anybody that employs our engineers. We do a real good job of educating engineers.
Yeah.
So it's a good place to go to school.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Oh, sure. Well, that was pretty painless. Yeah, that's your questions are pretty short and to the point.
Yeah,
so, you know.
because we don't have a time.